Hi guys, today I would like to show you how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet on XIAOMI 14T Pro. Firstly, open Wallet. Now tap on Add to Wallet, View Wallet. Now scroll a bit down and go into Add to Wallet, Loyalty Card. Now choose from which company you would like to add a loyalty card. Now just either scan the barcode or enter your member's ID manually, and then tap on enter manually in the bottom right corner, bottom right, and now enter your member ID here. Then just tap on Add to Wallet, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.